Let's go guys, Ichimoku technical analysis in only 3 minutes.
Hey guys, let's talk about Rune. For those who are wondering what's going on, looking at the Ichimoku Cloud, there is something we can notice. We have this lagging that crossed inside this massive candle. That is happen maybe 1% of the time. Why it happened? Just remember, this one has been listed only since few weeks, August 31st for this Binance chart. So doing so, we have an Ichimoku that is building up every day and every day. So of course, all the elements of the Ichimoku in that case are not as strong as it will be in another month or 2 months. Okay, and that's why we can only see now the cloud forming, because finally we have enough data to create this SSB of our cloud. So we can pretty much say that what's going on now, starting now, will be more obvious and more strong through our analysis using Ichimoku. Now, what do we see? We see a lagging here on this weekly time frame that is free to go up and down, at least up to this resistance here at 8.71. But since this resistance is an old one, it might cross above it very easily and again above on those candles. I think we rarely get strong candles starting here. Strong elements are starting here from the Ichimoku. So everything we have before kind of will act as a resistance or a support, but won't be as strong as what we will have here in the future. All right. Anyway, we can look at the daily time frame because people are wondering what's going on with this one. Massive pullback, clearly a massive pullback. When it's going to be over, so if you look through your chart, you can see some resistance. We have a resistance here. For this one, I'm not looking at this candle here. I was not looking at this here. I'm looking at here at the SSB, so I'm going to raise it up a bit, so it's at 6.38. You're better off looking at this one than this one, because you see it's a bit lower. It goes a bit lower than this, so use this SSB of the cloud as a reference. It goes into a twist as well. SSA, SSB, it's pretty good as a price support or resistance. Okay. Another things. Let's go again in a zoom. We could think of another resistance here as well because of a crossover here, a change of direction in our lagging span, okay, and another one here because of the SSB here, plus change of direction of our lagging span. So pretty much what happened here to our lagging, the lagging got stuck here, and so 26 period away, 26 period after that, we had also a resistance happening, and the price went up into a bullish trend, which was happening here. It's this candle here. You see, this candle here got resisted here. We got the resistance from here. So that's always interesting to look at it. So on a short, if you are shorting, you guys have a first take profit at 6.76, sorry. The second one, if we keep pushing lower after testing this resistance, it's 6.52, and the next one is at 6.38. For the long position, if we're going to go long, once we touch here, once we push into this resistance, if we're going long, then you try to look at also the indicators and see what the first things we can see. We got a resistance here through this 10 can that happened earlier. We have then a resistance through our SSB, but look, the SSB is not flat anymore, yeah? It's pretty much vertical. So entering the cloud from here will be easy. However, we will have this 10 can daily here blocking us. At the moment, this 10 can daily is at 8.073, but of course it will get lower and lower more the time goes on. So watch for this 10 can daily because it's a very clear indication of a proper resistance, meaning if we're going back into it, there is big chance we are pulling back again, okay? If we're going back into it, also there is big chance we push inside and go up to the Kijun daily. So you will have to look at a lower time frame to figure out a signal of a change of trend. All right, guys? It's over 3 minutes. I'm sorry. I will cover up this token one more time this week, maybe tomorrow again. If you guys like and comment, I will do it. You seem to be interested by this one, so why not? I can cover it a bit more. You guys take care, be careful, watch out the signals, and I see you soon. Bye bye.
Alright guys, let's subscribe to Style I Crypt YouTube. Ichimoku Technical Analysis. Ichimoku the best. Ichimoku Style I Crypt on YouTube. Subscribe.